Founded in 1982, K&S Services is a North American industrial repair service provider specializing in DC drive repairs. We're known for our quality workmanship, with a documented quality rate of 98.4% across all repair capabilities. Our technicians are factory trained and capable of servicing DC drives from most major brands, including Allen Bradley, Fanuc, Lenz, Siemens, to Legacy Reliance DC drives. To view our full line card, please visit kns.com. At K&S Services, our DC drive repair process starts with a thorough evaluation. Our technicians inspect every component of the drive for damage and identify any probable causes of failure, including shorted inputs and power cube failure, and what types of repairs are needed. Our technicians will then test individual components, including capacitors, resistors, diodes, and transistors, and replace faulty components with new. Our team will also thoroughly clean contacts and connections, reconfigure the drive if needed, and calibrate it to ensure it functions within the desired parameters. Normal repair turnaround times are between 10 to 15 working days after your approval, but we can also provide expedited rush and emergency repair services if needed. Once all repairs are complete, we use one of our 150-plus dedicated test stands to ensure your repaired DC drive meets or exceeds OEM specifications. All repairs come with a detailed test report showing how the DC drive performed during the closed-loop system tests. All test stands are specially designed for specific manufacturers and DC drive models. We also use our custom-made dynamometer to perform dynamic load testing, which allows us to make performance and rating adjustments as needed. Every repaired DC drive is backed by our 12-month in-service warranty, which begins when the unit is placed back into service. Let our experienced team at K&S Services handle your DC drive repairs. Visit our website or call us today to request a quote.